Suspense is building up when it comes to Xfor, as the company right now is halted pending news. However, what is going to happen next? Is this a ticker which is going to squeeze all the way upwards of the $10 levels, or is this a ticker which has already ran its course and it's going to be coming down, tumbling all the way back down to the dollar levels? In today's video, that's exactly what we're going to be answering. We're going to be discussing Xfor, where's Xfor headed, and much more. So without further ado, my friends, hit the thumbs up button and now let's get cooking. So when it comes to Xfor, guys, this is a company which is running right now based off of a series of news. So first things first, the company today appointed a new CFO. Okay, when we go over here, it says the company appointed a chief financial officer effective immediately, Mr. David Kirkskill. Okay, very cool. Now, the company today also announced a $60 million financing and leadership changes, which is very interesting. So let's go over here and read it. It says announces a $60 million private placement financing, appointing new leadership with turnaround experience. The company reported it has entered into a securities purchase agreement for a PIPE financial expected to yield approximately $60 million in gross proceeds before expenses. The financing is being led by Coastline Capital with participation from existing investors, Brand Capital, Life Sciences, along with other several. Concurrent with the financing agreement, Xfor revealed immediate leadership changes. President and CEO Paul Ragan and CFO Adam Mustafa have stepped down from their roles, with Dr. Ragan also resigning from the board of directors. The company has appointed Adam Craig as executive chair, John Valva as president, and David Kirk as CFO, all former executives from CTI Biopharma, CTIC, with experience in operational turnarounds. We're excited to be joining Xfor for the opportunity to establish a world-class hematology company by unlocking the full commercial potential of Mabo Express, said Dr. Adam Craig, executive chairman. The company intends to use the proceeds to continue development towards potential additional approval of in chronic neutropenia and the commercialization of WIM. The financing is expected to close around August 13, 2025, subject to customary closing conditions. Under agreement, Xfor will issue approximately 11 million shares of common stock and pre-funded warrants to purchase up to 31 million shares of a price of $1.42 per share. I mean, listen, man, this is no joke. Okay, guys, this is really no joke. All right, this is really no joke. They're selling 11 million $1.42 shares. I mean, I wonder what this pending news is going to be. I truly wonder. Oh, we also cured cancer. While we were at it, we also cured cancer. Like, what? And why is it halting for so long? I mean, I just don't understand. Listen, again, this is one of those situations where it can really go either way. Okay, it can really go either way. But I'm telling you guys right now, man, honestly, first of all, let's talk about where's the ceiling. So when it comes to the ceiling, you know, it's not getting above this, let's say freaking, you know, $7 levels ish. Okay, I think what could be going on is potentially a I don't know. I don't even know what's going on. I can't lie to you. I mean, listen, it's hard to predict what's going on when everyone on the team just stepped down. Concurrent with the financing, immediate leadership changes. President and CEO Paul Ragan and CFO Adam have stepped down from their roles. Sketch, with Dr. Ragan also resigning from the board of directors. Like, what is going on here? Like, what just happened? What just happened? Like, they just had a meeting, but what just happened? Is someone's going to jail? Is there fraud happening? Like, what is happening here? You know, I think that this is some weird stuff going on, right? And then we got pending news for so long. What's happening? Like, I'm very confused right now, guys. I'm honestly very, you know, it's one of those moves that's anything's possible. Anything's really possible, right? And at the same time, I think that there's more downside to upside. Why? Why am I saying that? They just sold $1 million, $1.40 shares. Wherever it goes, they're going to be pumping those $1.40 shares out. Let's say it goes to 4. They're going to be selling $1.40 shares into the market. They're going to be doing that. So for me, I mean, when I think about this ticker, man, you know, when I think about Xfor, I think that it has a lot more room for downside than upside, unfortunately. And it's really sketchy right now. It's in a really sketchy zone. I think that we gotta see when it will even unhalt. Like when is it gonna unhalt? You know what I'm saying? Like it's a loose cannon, man. It really is a loose cannon. But one thing you guys gotta understand is that these warrants, they're exercisable starting today. Look at this. When you go over here, right? Do you see this? It says exercisable date. These are the warrants. Okay, 142 cost, pre-funded, 1 cent to exercise. Exercisable date, August 12th. So literally starting today, they can start selling these shares today. I don't like it. Look, I don't personally like it. Okay, like I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's just so sketchy, right? The CEO just stepped down. There's a whole lot of weird shit going on. The stock is already up 81%. They're selling $1.40 shares. Not my type of trade. Again, remember, I'm also a very conservative trader. Okay? Very, very conservative. That's why I have an 82% win rate. Right? 500 trades later, August, no red days yet. July, 2 red days. June, 1 red day. May, 3 red days. April, no red days, right? Like we've been crushing it. But anyways, that's my take. If you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, I got good news for you guys. Right now, my Discord, which will give you guys access, full access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, give you exact entries, exact exits, every single thing, okay? Every single thing's given to you guys on a platter, is right now available for a 50% sale for the next 10 members that join. That's right, next 10 members, 50% sale going on. Now, you're right to be skeptical. There's a lot of sketchy shit going on in this industry. That's why we're the only community that offers a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. All I want you to do is try the 7-day free trial, see if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, leave. Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for all your hard work on the community. My 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I think you for the memberships. 7K in 7 days. I mean, we've been crushing it, guys. You know, we have day trade alerts, we have swing alerts, we have option alerts, and today we also started our 1K challenge, which we also crushed it absolutely. Our first day was an absolute hit. Okay, it went very well, and yeah, just give it a shot. Again, like let's jump to present day. I mean, I'll just show you guys real quick, right? We've been crushing it day in day out, man. Great call by Sean again, banking today. First day, I would have if I would have listened to Sam to the second, I would have had 1,800 more on the day. 5K over here on the day, up 18% year to date. And this is literally yesterday. People posted beating the market, but all came from Sam Scott. Would have been if I had made some. I appreciate you guys, man. 40%, 49% the past month. Thanks for teaching me. Cheers, Top Chart Academy. Proof is in the pudding. We've been crushing it, guys. We've been crushing it day in, day out, right? And I mean, there's a reason why people come back, even though we offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And the way the guarantee works, guys, is that you can cancel for any reason and you receive a full refund, right? It's not one of those Discords that we're like, oh no, you actually send 2 messages, now you can't get a refund. That's not how we work, okay? You join. If you make money, stick around. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave. The community is filled with many other mentors than myself, Sean being one of them, AG Racing, Pro Trader. We've been crushing it, man, day in, day out. So give it a shot, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. And again, remember, okay? I wish you guys the best of luck. Don't give up, don't quit. Because 90% of traders are unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam.